Today, I'm giving all of you a behind-the-scenes look at my latest 3D printed project, the Gingerbread Factory Holiday Light Show display. This project was the most detailed and over-the-top project I have ever done, with about 2 months of designing all the way through programming the light show at the end. And I want to showcase little bits of the project throughout the entire 2 months I've been working on it and give you guys a look at some things that you guys haven't been able to see either through my videos or on the live stream. So enjoy the little compilation video I put together of some clips of things I filmed throughout the project. And again, haven't been seen before, so enjoy.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Big Jano's live stream presentation of the Gingerbread Factory Holiday Display Light Show Extravaganza. The workers listened to song after song, only to realize after every one that they were all dancing, humming along, and even doing a little air guitar. It then occurred to them that it didn't matter the type of music played in the factory, but it was the sentiment behind it. And just like that, our gingerbread factory and our little gingerbread town was fully in the holiday spirit. Thank you everyone for watching Big Jano's Gingerbread Factory Holiday Display Light Show Extravaganza. We certainly hope you enjoyed the show and its festivities.
All right, let's do this. Let's get it done. Well, there you have it. There was our behind the scenes look at our 3D printed Gingerbread Factory Holiday Light Show display. I hope you all enjoyed the different behind the scenes looks of this project. There was a lot going on with this project from start to finish, and I'm very, very happy with the end result. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more behind the scenes clips and videos like this in the future with all my other projects coming up. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and if you guys have any other ideas for projects for 2025, definitely let me know down in the comments as well. Don't forget, if you haven't yet seen the full light show from start to finish, the link to that video is going to be right up here right about now. So go click on that if you haven't yet seen the full light show. I think you're really going to enjoy it. With that said, that's going to wrap up this video on the behind the scenes look at my Gingerbread Factory light show display. Thank you all for watching this video. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys again really soon. In the meantime, check out my social media profiles in the links below to keep on top of what else I'm working on at the moment. And I'll see you guys here real soon. So take care, everybody. And until next time, keep doing it big.